This is episode 2 of Demystifying FX, and today we're looking at forward points. In videos 1 and 2, I explained how when you agree to sell one currency to buy another on a future date, you do so using a forward contract. And I hinted that the forward rate is different to the spot rate due to something called interest rate differentials. Today we're going to figure out just what that means. Forward contracts are quoted either as the outright rate, that's the rate for the future dated deal, or in forward points, aka swap points. These are the points adjustments to the spot rate to give the outright forward rate and represent the interest rate differentials of the two currencies in the pair. So if the forward points are say plus 50 and the spot rate is 1.43, then the forward rate would be 1.4350, 143.50. Forward points can be positive or negative, and the sign refers to whether the base currency is at a premium or a discount, respectively, in counter-currency terms with longer maturity dates. A premium means it costs more of the terms currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency with longer maturities, then the sign is positive, and the opposite is true of a discount. If the base currency of the pair is the higher yielding currency, then the forward points will be negative, because the forward rate will be at a discount to the spot rate. And if you're selling the higher yielding currency, then the forward rate will be less favourable for you than the spot rate. You can therefore imagine how forward points being positive or negative would be better or worse for a hedger, depending on whether they're an importer or an exporter. Here's the formula. As you can see, all we're doing is scaling the spot rate over time, factoring the interest rates of each currency. The 1 plus rate times time term reflects the cost of holding 1 unit of currency over time. It's a scaling factor that adjusts the spot rate based on the interest rate differential between the two currencies. And we divide the terms component by the base component because we're comparing the future value of the terms currency to the future value of the base currency. Let's look at sterling versus the euro. We can see the forward points negative, telling us that UK interest rates must be higher than euro area interest rates. See how the outright rate gets progressively lower over time. That would be great for exporters as each euro sold buys more and more pounds over time, but terrible for importers as each euro bought costs more and more pounds with time. And that's it for this week. I hope this video has helped you understand forward points in more detail. If you're still struggling, please send me a DM and I will reply. Next week, it's FX orders.